welcome to our channel Login Help. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you how to scan face for Bitmoji on Snapchat. For that, what you need to do is simply open the Snapchat first and make sure to log in on your Snapchat account. So to scan face for Bitmoji on Snapchat, first you must remove your old Bitmoji of the Snapchat. So for that, on the upper left corner, you'll be able to see the Bitmoji of Snapchat. Tap on that. This will take you to the profile page of your Snapchat, where on the upper right corner you'll be able to see the gear icon. Tap on that to access the setting and privacy page. Once you're on the setting page, beneath the notifications you'll be able to see Bitmoji. Tap on Bitmoji, and now on the button of the screen you need to tap on only my Bitmoji. Tap on that and now tap on remove. So this will remove the Bitmoji on your Snapchat. The next step is go back again to your home screen of your device, and now make sure to download and install the Bitmoji application from the Play Store. If you haven't, then go to Play Store and simply go back again, and now tap on search apps. Here tap on Bitmoji, and now this application will be open. So the Bitmoji application look like this. So you'll be able to see the option of install. Tapping on create Bitmoji will link your Bitmoji application with Snapchat. So tap on create Bitmoji. Now you'll be access to this page where you'll be given the option to choose which Bitmoji you would like to, the gender specifically. So once you tap here, you'll be access to this page where you need to select your skin tone and customize your Bitmoji you would like to. So one by one, according to your choices and preferences, you can easily select it. So first choose the skin tone, then your hair color, or you can also leave as it is, the hairstyle. So once you are done with customizing your Bitmoji, then on the upper right corner you'll be able to see the save option. Simply tap on save, and now it's the turn to select your outfit. So I have already installed, so there is the open option. Tap on open, and now tap on continue with Snapchat. So here I have already selected. Now let's tap on save. So the outfit has already been saved. If you want to check whether your Bitmoji has been changed on the Snapchat also, but before that, here you'll be notified that to connect Bitmoji to Snapchat, tap on agree and connect. So you have already connected the Bitmoji with the Snapchat. So let's see if it has been connected or not. Let's go back again, and here you'll be able to see that your Bitmoji has already been connected and your new Bitmoji has already been made. So if you would like to share your Bitmoji, then going to your Bitmoji again, you can simply scroll down this, and here is the share my Bitmoji option. Tap on that, and you can easily share your Bitmoji with your friends on the Snapchat. So I hope this video was useful for you. If this video was useful, then hit the like button and consider subscribing our channel for the more tutorial videos. Thank you.